The expression out of the frying pan and into the fire is a well-known idiom used to describe a situation where someone escapes from one difficult or dangerous circumstance only to find themselves in an equally or even more perilous one. It conveys the idea of moving from one challenging situation directly into another without any respite or relief. The origin of this idiom can be traced back to the medieval practice of cooking, where food was cooked in a frying pan over an open flame. When something was accidentally dropped or thrown out of the frying pan, it would fall into the fire, making matters worse and potentially causing harm. The phrase has since evolved into a figurative expression, commonly used in both casual conversation and literature, to depict the unfortunate sequence of events where the resolution of one problem leads to the onset of another, often worse, problem. It emphasizes the sense of being trapped or caught in a cycle of hardship with no easy escape. The situations described by this idiom can vary widely, from personal dilemmas to larger societal issues. In personal contexts, it might refer to someone leaving a stressful job only to end up in a more demanding and unfulfilling one. Similarly, in relationships, it could describe someone exiting a toxic partnership but entering into another equally unhealthy one. On a broader scale, out of the frying pan and into the fire can also pertain to geopolitical situations or societal challenges. For instance, a country's efforts to liberate itself from an oppressive regime might lead to an unstable political situation or civil conflict, resulting in further hardships for its citizens. The idiom serves as a cautionary reminder to carefully assess potential risks and consequences before making decisions or taking actions. It encourages individuals and societies to think critically and strategically about their choices, weighing the pros and cons of different paths to avoid falling into worse circumstances. Furthermore, this expression highlights the importance of seeking long-term solutions rather than quick fixes. It suggests that hasty decisions to escape a current predicament without thoughtful consideration of the future can lead to more significant problems down the line. In literature and storytelling, out of the frying pan and into the fire is often used to create tension and suspense. Characters find themselves in precarious situations, and just when it seems they have found a way out, they encounter an even greater threat, intensifying the narrative and keeping readers or audiences engaged. In conclusion, out of the frying pan and into the fire is a powerful idiom that captures the notion of moving from one challenging situation to another, often worse, without any relief in between. It emphasizes the need for careful decision-making and thoughtful consideration of consequences in both personal and societal contexts. By being mindful of the potential risks and taking a long-term perspective, individuals and societies can avoid falling into further hardship and strive for more sustainable solutions to their problems.